A strong overflow means that there's good pressure. We like to see a good overflow. This is a skimmer. Grab that silver handle, lift it out, bang it out behind those trees over there. Hey, further back. The other skimmer is across the pool, right there. When that little meter gets over 40, you're gonna have to backwash it. So turn the pool off. Off. Normally it's on filter. You're gonna push that handle down and swing it around to backwash. For 70 seconds, turn the power back on and count. Then turn the power back off. With the power off, put the selector to rinse. For 15 seconds, turn the power back on. After 15 seconds, turn the power back off and move the selector back to filter. The chlorine tablets are in this bucket. Be careful when you open it. If it's green inside, that's chlorine gas, so stand back. It should be white. That's green. Get back. This is what it should look like when you open it. This is the chlorinator. With a little downward pressure, twist that off. Look inside. That's where the tabs go. Right now it's about half full. I'm going to put a few more tabs in there. So just grab a couple of tabs out of there. Fill this thing up. I'm not going to fill it up right now. This goes back on, but it's just tighten. Don't over tighten. Just tighten. This little dial here lets more or less chlorine into the pool. I'm going to leave it at about a 1 because the pool is heavily chlorinated right now. If there's not enough chlorine after you've been testing it for a few weeks, you may have to open that up to a 2 or a 3. And when all that's done, power back on. This is the pool test kit. There's a little notch at the top of each vial that tells you where to fill the water up. So reach it in, down, a foot, fill it up, and then knock it off to the ridge. And that's right where you should be. Next, 5 drops of the yellow cap onto the yellow side. As you can see, there's way too much chlorine here. 5 drops of the red bottle into the red side. And mix them up. Put the white card behind it. You don't need any chlorine. There's too much right now. The pH is a little low, and on average you're going to have to add a jug of acid every week to 10 days. The jugs of acid can be found here in the green shed. The power is off now, so it's easier to get out. Just remove that little collar and push those 2 buttons on the side there, one on each side, and he comes out nice and easily. And that opens up. Empty him out. Hose off. Reseal that Velcro strip. Those click in there like that. The collar faces backwards. Clips back on there like that. And that's how it should look. Drop the geek back in the pool. Let him swim his lonely, lonely life away. A huge ass bug that looks like a, I don't know what it looks like. Well, he's alive! Put him back in the water! Anyway, the places that little geek can't get are these 2 ledges and the stairs over there. This is the only place that dirt will really build up because little geek gets everywhere else. And the place where you'll notice an algae bloom the most is right in the corners, if it happens.